Once hailed as the magic mineral because of its broad range of uses, it's heat resistant, tensile in strength, and great for teeth whitening. Hell, it was even used in talc. Okay, we lied about the teeth bit. But this is a serious topic because asbestos causes a number of illnesses, including asbestosis, lung cancer, and mesothelioma. And once you've inhaled it, chances are you'll die. Did you know asbestos exposure kills somebody every 5 hours? It's true, there's no cure for asbestos-related diseases. Buildings still contain it, and once it's in the air, you can't detect it. If you breathe it in, then it could be fatal. Treat this course as part of your business contingency plan to protect you, your business, and your workers from harm. We can't teach you how to remove asbestos, that is something completely different. But we can help you with stuff like how to avoid the risk of exposure, deal with an exposure, or discovery of asbestos, and how it affects people's health. Asbestos presents a threat to maintenance staff, building workers, and the public, which is why asbestos awareness training is an essential part of all workplace training.